Hey guys, good morning. Today we're going to go over how to use Turbo VPN. All right, let's get started. If you're not already on Firestarter, go ahead and navigate to Firestarter. If you can't find it from there, we're going to come over to Settings, Applications, Manage Installed Applications, Firestarter, and Launch. To get us where we can see all our installed apps, we'll open up Turbo VPN. If you do not yet have Turbo VPN and you want to use it, you can install it from the APK installer in the 2Htronics wizard inside of Kodi. If you don't know how to use it, there's a video in the how-to video section, as well as on this Facebook page, on how to use the APK installer inside of Kodi. All right, so let's get started with the VPN. We'll go ahead and open it. Now, this is intended to be a phone application with touch interface, which we're not using that here. So the key structure is going to be a little difficult on here, and we're going to have to pay close attention to where we're at. So I'll stand up and point to some things here for you as well. Try to zoom in a little bit, get it a little better. So when this application opens, in the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see a faint circle around the hamburger button up there in the top left. All right. The tap to connect, we do not want to use that. Instead, what we're going to go to is over here on the right hand side of the screen. You see this globe here? We're going to scroll over to this. So right now we're over in the left hand corner. We're going to scroll over once to the right. You're going to see the faint circles show up around the globe. We're going to select it. All right, in here, when we're starting from this line at the top, but we cannot actually see the line move down. So we're going to select one of the two US servers here. So right now we're here. So if you go down one, it's going to move you to the Canadian. You won't see it, but you can hear it. So when you go down the second time, you'll hear it click, but you won't see it, but we'll be on this New York server. So at that point, we're going to go ahead and select OK. You'll see it highlight. You'll see it say connecting. Once it's connected, back out of the advertisement. And at that point, it's ready to go. Okay, so you just exit out of it and you can go ahead and start to use your device as you normally would. All right, so at this point you can go ahead and start using whatever you need to use. Now if you need to stop it, you can do one of two things. There is no off button because we can't hit the tap to disconnect. So two things you can do. You can either reboot the device itself and it will turn the VPN off, or if you come into the app settings inside of the menu by hitting the hamburger button on the remote, it's that 3-line button, we'll go to app settings and select force stop. That will stop the application from running if you need to turn it off. Okay, so let's go in, we'll cover a couple more things in here and then get you guys out of here. All right, so we're going to open it up. We're going to come over here. I said you can try some of these other servers, but you're going to be geo-blocked for some of the content, meaning you won't be able to access some of the content if you're not using one of the US servers. You can come down, select the San Francisco one. If you're in here and it's connected and you want to change servers, just simply come back over to where the flag is now at in the upper right hand corner, select it, and it's always going to start at the top. So come down to, and it'll take you to the US server or 3. Just from whatever server you want to select, just count down the number of clicks that you want to go, and it'll take you to where you want to go. All right. I hope this helps you guys. If you got any questions, as always, reach out to me on the Facebook group, text me, email, call me. All right, guys. Thank you. We'll see you on the next one.